All right, great friends out there. I got a message from what I believe is legit from a Ford dealership mechanic. I'm gonna read it to you. And before you start asking questions about how, when, why, refer back to the last 2 or 3 videos, and even the one yesterday that puts a link in the description. I cannot answer, honestly, that many questions about who, why, where, when I've already done it. So bear with me on that in all kindness. So, all right, we talked about these dealership mechanic scams, or whatever you want to call it. There's a lot of names for them. This came in from a gentleman, and I'm going to read it to you. You decide, okay? And I'm going to tell you, I've received some hate mail. I would say 90% of the messages I get, 95 are all nice, great. Hey, it happened to me too. Thanks for putting that out there. I thought it was only me. I get a handful, man, they don't like me. Typically, it's a shady mechanic at a dealership or even a dealership, whatever, okay? So, straight to the point. As a certified Ford mechanic of a few years now, still working in the shop, it pains me that everything you said here is true. I'd never take my vehicle even to the very shop I get paid for by Ford to work on it. Hell, you almost couldn't even pay me to take my car there. I get an employee discount on parts. I've used it exactly once for a part I couldn't find elsewhere. Even working there, I get parts cheaper and better elsewhere, and quicker too. Mind you, my daily driver is a Ford. I take pride in my work, I enjoy the work, but the company and those who have employed me there are greedy, sneaky, and very absurd people. Folks, I believe this message, and I'm not gonna even name the gentleman that sent that to me. And it comes up when I look at it, and on their page, it appears to be legit. Folks, this just seals the deal on what I've been telling you about these places. And I'm gonna tell you something else. This is gonna be kind of a blunt or direct message, and you may misunderstand it at the beginning. At this point here, at this juncture, never, ever, ever get a second opinion. We're at the point, go get a third opinion. As in the video I released about the Nissan Rogue. Just a very quick recap. First shop said, we can't do it, take it to the dealer. Went to the dealer, it was $3,200. Went back to another reputable mechanic, got it done for $309. Folks, I'm gonna keep putting this stuff out there. I don't care how mad they get. Hey, it is what it is. And again, as I always say, when you go to the dealership where you're buying or where you're even getting work done out of warranty, don't go there, number one, if you can. The sign should say in big neon letters, let the games begin. Thank you again. If you like what I've said, hey, subscribe, like the channel. This channel is only a year old and it's getting a lot of hits, but hey, it's kind of fun putting this stuff out there. But again, I'm gonna keep putting this stuff out there. Thank you.